AI and the Future of Filmmaking, New Horizons Unfold in Grand Rapids Workshop. TLDR, the city of Grand Rapids witnesses the dawn of a new cinematic era as AI technology seamlessly merges with screenwriting. The three-day event showcases the transformative power of AI in redefining storytelling and speeding up the screenwriting process. Grand Rapids has become the epicenter of the intersection between artificial intelligence and the world of cinema. The groundbreaking three-day workshop, in conjunction with an interactive writing exhibition, not only illuminates a new pathway for budding writers but also challenges the traditional boundaries of storytelling. As technology continues its relentless march forward, how are our stories evolving alongside it? Lisa Mathis, the visionary behind this revolutionary initiative, teams up with distinguished writers Matt Allen and Chris Tasu, the minds behind popular films like Four Christmases and Block Party. Their mission? To mentor 5 chosen local aspirants and immerse them in the world where technology and creativity meet. These promising writers will experience firsthand the revolutionary capacity of AI to boost their writing, making the process faster and potentially more innovative. But what lies at the core of this workshop and exhibition? It's more than just a demonstration of technology's potential. It's a statement on how we, as a society, view and shape our stories. With AI being integrated into various facets of our lives, the way we tell and consume stories is bound to undergo a profound transformation. It's intriguing to note that while technology like AI could potentially streamline the writing process, it also raises important questions. Can a machine understand and emulate the intricate emotions and nuances that human writers bring to the table? And as AI becomes more involved in the creative process, where do we draw the line between human ingenuity and machine precision? As Grand Rapids sets the stage for this compelling blend of technology and art, one can't help but wonder, are we on the brink of a new renaissance in filmmaking, where stories are not just told, but co-created with machines? First seen at the Rapidian.